How to get unbanned on Wizz app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. So firstly, go ahead and open the Wizz application on your device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Now tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and scroll down to the community tab and you will see the help option. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the messages option you see there and then tap on the send us a message button. Now go ahead and provide your username and reason for ban and politely explain if it was a mistake if your account has really been banned. Further, wait patiently and review times may vary based on ban severity. The next fix is use a VPN to reset your IP. Ban might be tied to your IP address, so go ahead and uninstall the Wizz app and further, go ahead and connect yourself to any type of VPN and log back into Wizz and see if you are being able to log in or not. If not, then you can try on a different phone or tablet, or you can also use tools like 2accounts on Android to install Wizz under a different profile. And if nothing fixes your issue, as a last resort, you can create a new account. Start fresh with a new email and phone, but follow community rules to avoid being banned again. So, this is how you can get unbanned on Wizz app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.